is teaching his class some basic Welsh patterns. And, by the way, he always gives his students Welsh names.
So dyma ni, Mererid, Sioned, Lowri, Buddig, Myfanwy, Esyllt, Dwynwen, Brychan. Croeso i'r dosbarth Cymraeg. You've all adopted new Welsh aliases, and ni'n barod, we're ready now to start learning some basic Welsh, Cymraeg sylfaenol. Bob gwers, each lesson we will be doing North Walian Welsh gyda chi, but we will be pointing out hefyd if they say it tipyn bach yn wahanol, slightly differently in South Wales. Ond newn ni ddechrau. General greeting yn y gogledd ydy Smai. So you just repeat that. If I say Smai, you say back Smai. 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 So be nawn ni'n neud nawr? Nawn ni ddechrau fan hyn gyda Brychan a Mererid. So you just say Smai, Mererid, Smai, Brychan, and we'll pass them in. Right, on. 1, 2, 3.
Smai, Mererid.
Smai, Brychan.
Ia, a pasio nhw i mewn.
Smai, Dwynwen. Mererid.
Smai, Larry.
Smai.
Smai, Buddig.
Smai, Matthew.
Smai.
Right, da iawn. So unwaith eto, felly nawn ni ddweud, so that kind of general greeting, and you can say it in passing. If you're walking down the street, you say, Smai, John. Smai, Bill. And you just pass on. You don't need to stop and ask how somebody is. Felly, 1, 2, 3, Smai.
Smai.
Now, if it's in the morning, you can actually say bore da. If you wouldn't pick up the phone and say Smai, if you're working there, you would say more formal. Good morning. Bore da. Pawb I. So look formal now. 1, 2, 3.
Bore da.
Bore da.
Bore da.
If you were a headmistress at school and the children there, you'd say bore da.
Bore da.
Bore da. Wind the clock on, ac yn y prynhawn, you'd say prynhawn da, which can be shortened to pnawn da.
Pnawn da.
Pnawn da.
Pnawn da.
So, Smai general, bore da, pnawn da. And in the evening, noswaith dda. Dda, not da, dda. There's gold in them dda hills. So say, noswaith dda. Pawb?
Noswaith da.
So we've got Smai.
Smai.
Bore da.
Bore da.
Pnawn da.
Pnawn da.
Noswaith dda.
Noswaith da.
Ac down south, they don't say Smai, they say Siomai. So, Siomai ydy yn y day. Yn y gogledd, Smai. So, Smai, bore da, pnawn da, noswaith da. 1, 2, 3. Smai, bore da, pnawn da, noswaith da. Da iawn. Now, if you actually did want to ask somebody how they were, Smai is not enough. Smai is just hello. And you can actually prefix it with hello, Smai. So you can put them together. So, hello, Smai, 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Smai.
And if you're a real gog, you do it from the throat. Hello, Smai.
Hello, Smai.
Da iawn, ardderchog. Okay, now then, if you actually did want to inquire about somebody's health, you'd say, sut da chi? Pawb?
Sut da chi?
Sut da chi?
Sut da chi?
Or yn y de, South Wales, you say, shwd I chi? Shwd I chi? But yn y gogledd, sut da chi? Pawb?
Sut da chi?
And the answer could be just okay, is iawn. Iawn?
Iawn.
Iawn? So if I'm checking that you're still there, you haven't died on me, I'll go, iawn? And you,
Iawn.
iawn?
Iawn.
Iawn?
Iawn.
Sut da chi?
Sut da chi?
And the answer would be, sut da chi?
Iawn.
Iawn? But to be polite, you just say, iawn, oh, okay. That sounds like a teenager. So you say, iawn, diolch. Iawn, diolch. Diolch, thanks. So, sut da chi?
Iawn, diolch.
Sut da chi?
Iawn, diolch.
Now, if you were better than iawn, actually you were feeling much better than just iawn is okay, but a step up is da iawn. Pawb?
Da
iawn.
Da iawn.
Da iawn.
And da iawn can mean fine, great, or it can mean if you've done some great homework, the teacher says, da iawn. Well done, you. Okay, so da iawn. Da iawn, pawb?
Da iawn.
Diolch.
Diolch.
Da iawn, diolch.
Da iawn, diolch.
But if you, not just thanks, but you were really grateful, you'd say, da iawn, diolch yn fawr. Aw, aw, aw. Spread your mouth. Diolch yn fawr, pawb?
Diolch yn fawr.
So you just won the lottery, they hand over a cheque for £1 million and you say, diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.
Right, so, sut ydych chi? Da iawn, diolch yn fawr. Sut ydych chi?
Da iawn, diolch yn fawr.
So now turn to your partner. So un. So person un, turn to the other person and say, oh, sut ydych chi? And you can say whether you're fine, great, and thanks. Go on.
Sut ydych chi? Da iawn, diolch.
And then ask back.
Da iawn, diolch. Da iawn, diolch.
Okay, da iawn. Unwaith eto, so tro yma, ask not that person, you ask un. So felly, Mererid gofyn I Lowri, Sioned gofyn I Buddeg, ac yn y blaen. Okay? So felly, mae Esyllt yn gofyn I Brychan, a mae Myfanwy yn gofyn I Dwynwen. 1, 2, 3.
Iawn, diolch.
Iawn, diolch. Sut ydych chi? Da iawn, diolch.
Gwych, ardderchog, da iawn. Now then, some other elements of language yma. Dewch I mewn. The sound is, put your tongue in the shape of a G and breathe out. So, pawb? Dewch I mewn.
Diolch I mewn.
Dewch I mewn.
Diolch I mewn.
You're having a marvellous party inviting all the neighbours.
Diolch I mewn.
Dewch I mewn, pawb.
Diolch I mewn.
Go out in the street and call people.
Diolch I mewn.
Dewch I mewn. But if you wanted to, in Cymraeg, one of the things we do is we make a statement and then put a question at the end of it. Okay, well, Bangarai. Felly, ia is a ia. So, os dwi'n dweud, I just recognise this person. Lowri Bowen, ia? And you'd answer?
Ia.
Ia. There's, oh, Esill Llwyd, ia?
Ia.
Yeah, right. Dwynwen Clwyd, ia?
Ia.
There you are. So that's a. So you can say somebody's name if you think you know somebody, and you say, I know that face from service. You say, oh, Myfanwy Evans de Chones, yeah.
Ia.
Oh, da iawn, okay. Now, in the day down south, they don't say ia, but they say ia. Ia, slight difference. Ia. So, taswn I in the day, if I was down in South Wales, I'd say Esill Llwyd, ia. She'd say ia. Yeah, in the day down south. Well, now then, two other things here, fan hyn. Dyma ni. Small talk. Mae'n oer. Mae'n oer. Mae'n oer. Oer sounds like oil. Turn up the oil central heating. Mae'n oer. Shiver. Mae'n oer. Shiver on that. 1, 2, 3.
Mae'n oer.
Right. 1, 2, 3. Mae'n oer. Da iawn. 1, 2, 3. Mae'n oer. Mae'n oer iawn. As we had diolch yn fawr. Iawn. That's very. Mae'n oer iawn. Not just cold. Not just cold, this is Llanberis cold. Mae'n oer iawn. Pawb?
Mae'n oer iawn.
Da iawn. Now, Ted, well, we say, in Cymraeg, we like to make a statement and put a question at the end. Mae'n oer iawn. Yntydi, isn't it? Yntydi. But in a day, ond yw hi. But in the gogledd, mae'n oer iawn. Yntydi. So you're expecting people to agree with you. They just might nod. So you say, mae'n oer iawn. Yntydi. Pawb? Mae'n oer iawn. Yntydi. You go up at the end. Mae'n oer iawn. Yntydi. So let's see your body go up. Mae'n oer iawn. Yntydi. Unwaith eto. Mae'n oer iawn. Yntydi. Unwaith eto. Mae'n oer iawn. Yntydi. Right, now Ted, oer, if it's cold, mae'n oer iawn yntydi. Ond, if the weather is as it is in Sunny Hill, well, no, it's not oer, mae'n braf. A bit mae'n braf, like in the Costa Brava. Mae'n braf, it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. So, heddiw, oh, the weather's looking really nice today. Mae'n braf, pawb?
Mae'n braf.
Mae'n braf.
Mae'n braf.
Mae'n braf, yntydi?
Mae'n braf.
So you step out into the garden. Oh, the sun's shining, the birds are singing. Oh, it's really nice, isn't it? Mae'n braf, yntydi?
Mae'n braf yntydi.
So we can go from mae'n oer yntydi to mae'n braf yntydi. Mae'n oer yntydi. Mae'n braf yntydi. So that's hanner. But this half of the class can be cold, and this half of the class can be, oh, nice and pleasant. Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Mae'n oer yntydi. Mae'n braf yntydi.
Ardderchog, da iawn.
Don't forget you can watch that lesson again on the website. That's also the place to download the language of the lesson.
Ceri Bowen.
O ie, shwt ych chi?
O iawn, diolch. Y fflat?
Ie?
Helo, sut ydych chi? Gareth Jones.
O ie?
Y fflat.
Diolch yn fawr.
Helo, sut ydych chi?
Iawn, diolch.
O ie, y fflat.